I am in the South Huntsy, the deep South. This does not, I repeat, does not happen often. This is the inspiration for today's look. So to keep up with the theme of the snow, how cool would it be to be a nice little ice princess look? My highlighter, y'all, I mixed gold with silver. The silver on me will be too ashy, so let's kind of play with it. Let's go editorial, you know, not too serious. And I already highlighted my brow bone with the Urban Decay silver, which I never do my brow bone, but let's just have fun, you know. So this is a gray from the Morphe palette. I'm taking in the crease. Again, I don't know how this look is going to turn out, but I am recording it because I just want to do something fun, you know. Look good and smoky to me. To intensify that gray, we're going to take the ugliest smoky brown ever. It will work for this look because it's not too black, but other than that, I don't think it's a pretty color in my opinion, but we vibing. We having fun on this good old snow day in Charleston, which I don't think we had snow like in the past 10 years. Well, not like this. We had ice, but not snow. So the LA Girl Pro Pencil, I'm doing a semi-cut crease because I want to kind of keep the eyes nude, being that I'm a glitter up everything else. You know, I don't want it to be too extra looking, and I'm going outside to take pictures. I know my neighbor's going to be like, what the hell is she doing? Going back into the archives. This is some City Colors Pearl Mousse. I'm just using this as a shadow base, but they could be used as shadows. I'm going to stick on some NYX loose pigment like a champagne color. Some people don't understand why the snow day is such a big deal in Charleston. 12 months out of the year, we average a temperature of 72 here, okay? We had some flurries back in like 09, maybe 2010, and it didn't stick. This is the first time it stick and we get inches and the city shuts down. Why the city shuts down? To be honest, we don't know how to drive here when it's hot. So imagine if you're not used to snow and snow tires, okay? A wet brush and this silver called Revolt from Urban Decay. That loose pigment, that wasn't the right color. But this Revolt, I use this in a tear duct all the time. It's super duper pretty on its own. So let's get into these lips. The NYX Cosmic Metals. I have this grayish silver one and it says CLM something. I don't know. Goes great with the theme, right? Looks more greenish than silver though, but we're gonna fix that. I'm going for Elsa type vibes if y'all didn't get it. And I've never even seen Frozen. Shame on me. So the Stila Diamond Dust. Yes. Go Frozen. I like this. This look would not be complete with me not whitening out my waterline. I'm just taking it to the extreme over here, y'all. Come through, Elsa. I ain't that crazy. I'm not going to keep it white. I'm going to smoke it out with that same gray. Smoke that white. Now that's too back in the day for me. So this is my finished Snow Queen look. And guess what I'm about to do? Go outside and get some thumbnails popping. Nice and blingy, right? See y'all in the next video. Remember, have fun, y'all. 2018, have fun with your makeup looks.